Greetings, family. This is Sister Ima, and welcome to Wednesday Wellness, where we share information on natural healing. And today, every sound has a vibration. If you're arguing, it has a vibration. If you're singing, it has a vibration. And all of that sends out energy in the earth. So today I'm here with my grandson, King, who is a master sound healer. Say hi to everybody. Look at them, not me. So, we play humming bowls together, and today we're going to share that with you. Okay? So, we're going to get started. I'm going to take my seat, and we're going to start off with Grandmaster Healer King. Yes. Louder. Again. Again, louder. Take a deep inhale. Fill your lungs with beautiful fresh air. And as you exhale, release any tension, any thoughts that are not for your highest good. We send blessings to everyone this day. Right, King?
Mm-hmm.
We send blessings, tell them.
We send blessings.
King is 5 years old, and he's so good at playing the humming bowls. So start your children early because they already have it inside. Allow them to shine their light from an early age. Thank you, King. Thanks. Give me. Yeah, not right now. We're saying bye to everybody. Okay? Tell them to have peace, blessings, love, and light. Say anything you want to.
Please, peace, blessing, light,
and love. The
love,
most important.
And love.
Thank you so much, everyone. Hope you had a beautiful Wednesday Wellness with my special guest and great sound healer, King. Give me 5. Yay, my King. I love it.